Hey River Life viewers, we made it. We're at the Giga event in Cincinnati, Ohio. This place is killing it. Thousands of people showed up from all over the world to be a part of Geowoodstock 16. We're doing it right, and I'm going to keep you posted. Thanks for coming along. To start capturing some YouTube content, but where to begin? I don't know. We'll find out. I gotta find that vlogger tent. Where is that thing? Hey River Life viewers, you're not gonna believe who I ran into at Geowoodstock. It's Joshua.
What? All right, guys. Oh my gosh, it's the largest geocaching event in America. We're here, River Life viewers. I'm glad that you got to come along with this guy. And yeah, look at, well, we're together. It's fantastic. Are you having fun?
Hey River Life viewers, it just keeps getting better and better at Geowoodstock. Look who I ran into this time. Stardust ZZZ. Hello, how's it going?
Hey there, River Life viewers. Good to see you guys. I hope you enjoy whatever video he's putting out here. I'm sure it's going to be amazing.
You flatter me.
Oh.
Hey River Life viewers, you're not going to believe who I ran into this time.
Hey, River Life viewers.
Hi, it's Gary from Geocache Talk.
That's right.
Gary, listen, your podcast has been amazing for me.
Oh, man.
Terrific help getting started as a relatively new geocacher.
Right.
I appreciate what you guys are doing.
Oh, absolutely. Well, thanks. That's why we do it, is to get people to geocache. We talked about, get out. And as kind of my line at the end of the podcast is, don't just talk about geocaching. You need to go geocaching.
Keith, thanks for coming out today. Tell my viewers, the River Life viewers, why it's important that they check out FTF magazine.
Well, it's the only magazine that's about you. If you have a milestone, if you have a wonderful experience when you're out geocaching and want to share it with the rest of the world, this is the way to do it. I publish 80 or 90% of what people send in terms of stories and photos, and that's what makes the magazine great.
These are the friendly faces at the X-Tags booth, and they've got a promo code to share with you guys. It's good for 30 days. Tell them River Life sent you. See you on the next one. One of my favorite parts of Geowoodstock 16 were the trackables. I had saved several trackables I'd picked up along the geocaching trail, as well as a few of my own that I wanted to take up to the Giga and get the Giga icon on the profile of the trackable. So I had several of the sponsored trackables as well as some brand new ones, one that I got in the VIP package at check-in that I attached to a keychain and launched from the Giga event. And of course there were the tattoos that give you a special icon when you log one of those, trackable hedgehogs, and the mother of all trackables, the original can of beans, was present. A very special trackable that I took to the Giga event was my bowling ball, Thunder. Thunder appeared in another one of my videos where I announced that I was going to donate him to the geocaching game. I'll put a few frames in here
pardon the pun, for you to enjoy. All of this geocaching activity really worked up an appetite. River Wife and I enjoyed some of the local fare, Cincinnati chili and Coney's. One of the most exciting things for me at Geowoodstock 16 was having a chance to see my article that had just published in FTF magazine. As a relatively new geocacher, I thought it was very nice of the geocaching community to include perspectives from relative beginners. That's a real testament to the inclusiveness of the geocaching game and community. We did manage to get out and look for some geocaches, and as usual, we found many natural treasures to appreciate along the way. Finding a geocache and revealing what it has hidden inside is always a rush, whether it's in the woods or by the highway. And either place, it's okay to pay attention to your surroundings. You never know what you're going to see. Even if you DNF, you could still come away with a wonderful memory. Whew, after all this Geowoodstock fun, I could sure use a nap. Get out there and see it, love it, and live it. And I'll see you on the next one. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this compilation of just a few of the events I was able to capture at Geowoodstock 16.
I'd like to thank you for tuning in and invite you to subscribe to the River Life channel if you haven't done so already. You can click on the icon in the upper left corner or hang around, watch another video. There's a pretty good recommendation there in the bottom right hand corner. Either way, thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you again soon. So long.